I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your Disney Plus subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the Disney Plus app. Launch the Disney Plus app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Manage Subscription. In the Accounts section, look for the Subscription or Billing Details option. Tap on it to view your subscription status. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Note, if you don't see the cancel option, make sure you are not using a third-party service to manage your subscription. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After confirming, you should receive a notification that your subscription has been cancelled. Check your email for a confirmation message as well. And that's it. You've successfully cancelled your Disney Plus subscription. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.